Okay, let's go.
All stand. You can sit now. Class is in session, so tell a friend to come inside and take a seat now. Okay, we're about to start. Hi, my loves. Hi, Slayer. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pierre. I'm a makeup artist, hairstylist, bridal hairstylist, frontal installation. I do all these and more. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm teaching you how to make your wig by yourself. This wigging today is hand sewing. For those that don't have a machine, I'm one of those people. I don't have a machine, so I wig my hair. I turn my bundles to wig by hand. I use thread and needles to get it done, and with my canvas head. So that's basically what this video is about. On the canvas head, there's these 3 lines, which is both on the front and on the back. And on your wig cap, there's also 2 lines that is like a joining, and the other side is like a V. So the V part is the back and the 2 lines is the front. So if you watch this video from the beginning, you see how I placed it. So place it that way and you get it right. You've got the spark. Let it glow. Don't let the shadows hide your glow. The world is waiting. The cap is big. You have to adjust it. So it's not just this particular one I'm using. Especially if you're using a mesh cap, you have to adjust it. This mesh cap expands. The other one, the spandex, doesn't. I don't really like that spandex. I feel like it's not breathable enough. So I prefer this mesh. For this mesh, I adjust it so it will be perfect on my client's head or anybody wearing it. It will be the exact size. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. In fact, do that now. Pause the video and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up as well. And let me know what city you're watching me from. What city, what country are you watching from? Then take your place. Show them the fire in your heart's embrace. Step into the light. Let your voice be heard. You're a star. You're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt. You're breaking through. This is your moment. It's made for you. Shine your light. Let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable. You're a diamond in the night. Shine your light. Let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true. You've got the power, let it rise. Every step you take, you light the skies. Don't let anyone dull your shine. You're a warrior and you're one of a kind. Step into the light. After adjusting your mesh cap, it's time to start sewing. Trace where the pattern is and place it right in the middle line. Then secure it with some pins. Here I'm using an office pin. You're first going to use all the pins to secure it first before you start sewing. Next thing to do is to bring out your tape, and it's time for measurement. Place your tape right where I'm placing it right now. Use your office pin to secure 3 places. The reason why I'm using office pin is because it's not going to leave like a hole on the cap. If you use a T-pin, it's going to tear your mesh cap. Get your marker. Use a color that will be visible enough. Mark an inch each. Do that first, then you see the next step when we get there. Let your voice be heard. You're a star. You're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt. You're breaking through. This is your moment. It's made for you. Shine your light. Let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable. You're a diamond Yeah, you're the one, you're the light. You're gonna make everything alright. Keep on dancing, keep on singing. You're the melody the world keeps bringing. Shine your light, let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable, you're a diamond in the night. Shine your light, let the world see.
From here down is an inch, and from the top to here is half inch. That's because it's close to the front and you don't want your wig to be like scanty, so you have to make that part half an inch so your wig will be full. But if your hair is your bundles is like 200 grams, I'll say the half inch should be just 3 lines, because if you do it like this, your bundles won't be enough to get your wig done. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one, but before then, have you subscribed? If you haven't subscribed, please give this video a thumbs up and let me hear your thoughts, questions in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.